Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. My name is Tracy. So my husband and I took a drive down to LA the other day, and I just kind of video a little bit of it. This is the 110, like if you're going towards Dodger Stadium. And just to show you, it was a pretty good day for traffic, and just showing you the exit right there. And we will eventually be taking, it will be the 110 to the 10. And the first stop we're making is to a freight service that ships to Belize. Now, my dad used to have a freight service as well, but he closed everything down and moved home. So we had to find a different way. And so far, this company has been very trustworthy from what we heard from different people. And so I just wanted to show basically it's we make a left on Arlington, and I think the first street was, make a right on Jefferson, and they're right there. So we went to get some boxes. They have very, very good box, sturdy, really sturdy, and just some little local area businesses around the area. And here's a Belize flag, and just in case you can't find the address, the flag is right there to show you where they are. And we went to a few different locations that day since we were in LA. This was our first stop. And hey, if you haven't by now, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much. I'm almost at 10,000. Okay, maybe 1,000 is so shy. So this is just the information that I took a picture of and put it up on my channel. I have shown off the shoes that I did for my husband, and he's wearing them. And of course, I was doing my nails, and he's like, "It's time to go." So I had to stop, so I didn't finish. But you can see the rest of those there. I'll tag the ones that when I finished it. So we end up going to one of our old customers, Mels Fish Shack. They have awesome food. Make sure that you order in advance. We made the mistake from not ordering in advance. They were really completely busy, and we didn't have the time to wait. It wasn't them, we just didn't have time to wait, so we had to leave. So we tried two different other places. It wasn't a good day for food for us, you guys. And just to show you their menu, and again, call in advance to try and make sure. A lot of places are doing that right now because they don't know if they're going to sell out or be wasting food due to the pandemic, and people, either close or not close, could have food, can't have food, could dine in, dine out, whatever the case might be. So it was really they had a line, and they had people that ordered that were still waiting. So we end up going to Belizean Paradise. They're off of La Brea, and we called in advance and they were sold out. Then we went to Belize Fish Market. They have wonderful boil up and wonderful, I love the panadas. We went there and they weren't even open. The number for them is not even listed. So anyways, we didn't get any food that day. We came back home. So we got what we got, and we did what we did. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.